F86 series were built, and this aircraft, which is operated by Golden Apple Operations, is the world's only A model variant that remains airworthy. This is also believed to be the world's oldest flying jet-powered aircraft. Just like we said about the Spitfire, this aircraft supports the old saying that what looks right flies right. And the F86 was the first operational Allied swept-wing jet, and also reputedly the first aircraft to break the sound barrier in early October 1947, shortly before Captain Charles Chuck Yeager's official sonic boom with the Bell X-1. The Sabre was a development of a straight-wing project which was dramatically modified